Manual data validation is so 2025. In 2026, your AI should be catching and fixing errors before you even know they exist. I'm Jan Favela, IT manager at Human IT, a nonprofit organization that connects underserved communities with the technology that they need. And today, I am going to show you how we built an Asana AI teammate that acts as a data integrity guardian for our entire device pipeline. My job is to make sure our software, infrastructure, and data integrity don't slow down that mission. One of the real challenges that we have day to day is that we process hundreds of devices. Staff are entering technical specs across hundreds of tasks. And when that data is inaccurate, it doesn't just create one bad record, it erodes the integrity of the entire pipeline. We design an AI teammate that operates as a validation layer sitting between the data entry and the rest of our pipeline. Here's what it does. It reads every spec field on a device task, such as RAM, CPU, storage, then checks each value against expected formats and known constraints. Then it autocorrects errors and normalizes inconsistent inputs before they reach the reporting or routing. I'm going to show you what the AI teammate looks in action. As soon as it reaches one of our pipelines, it starts validating all the data and formatting it the way that it's supposed to be. As you can see, in just a couple minutes, our AI teammate was able to properly format the task name to what we're expecting it to be. It also updated some of the description and the fields that we have for our workflow with the proper formatting. By doing all of this, we're not just saving time on filling tasks, but we're also saving time from reviewing this task and ensuring that the quality of the data is consistent. With this, we went from 2 hours of manual portfolio review just down to 30 minutes. It's also empowering our current staff to be able to do more, to be able to do more impactful things. Asana AI Teammates is just the first layer of what we're building toward an AI-first operations model for human IT. Our next focus is extending this to other high-volume, error-prone workloads across the organization. My one piece of advice would be, don't start with the AI. Start with the problem, and then design the AI to solve that specific problem. That's where the real impact lives. Thank you so much for joining. For more info, check the link below. Hope you enjoyed.